Welcome to my new vlog. I am getting ready to go to hit legs, quads and calves only. I have started to divide my leg days into quads and calves, glutes and hams. I do it every alternate day. It's really sunny outside. It's 3:30 right now, hopefully. Yeah. I'm going to the gym now because it's going to be really empty. Plus, my skin is screaming for its moisturizer. So I'm going to moisturize first. And I have packed my pre-workout and post-workout. I did not want to drink pre-workout today, but I am drinking it because I want to be more awake after the gym rather than at the gym. It's really weird because my friends ask me like why you're drinking pre-workout when you're working out. But my I'm literally drinking pre-workout for the alertness it provides after the gym so that I can get shit done. But yeah, moisturizer is done. I'm going to apply this whatever medicated sunscreen. uh, Sunblock is really important because there is a lot of uh, sun damages your skin a lot, so it's important that you apply sunblock whenever you go out in the sun. uh, I am supposed to be I'm just I'm supposed to get back at 6 o'clock by 6 and then finish the rest of the assignments things to do because I was able to complete only 2.5 last night. I need to do three. Sorry, all four need to be submitted by tomorrow. So once I get back, that has to happen. Then I can go to sleep by 8:30 tops. That is the whole plan today. I might have some office work, which is why I'm carrying my laptop to the gym, just in case. Um, what else? Definitely go watch my previous vlog if you haven't. It's me pulling off an all-nighter, but the whole point of this is so that I achieve my 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. Sleep time. I really want to get there. I want to do it more consistently than I do on certain days. And currently, even if I wake up really early by 4:35, I feel really sleepy midday, and I give in to a power nap, which actually lasts me some like 6 hours or something. So I want to start waking up early and consistently. So, which is why tonight we'll be going to bed at 8. Try to wake up tomorrow morning at 4. Pack pre workout, and I'm going to drink this at the gym while I'm working out. I'm back from the gym. It's 6:30. I am back from the gym. I reached the gym and saw that it was too crowded. It's 6:30. I've taken a shower. I'm going to apply some tea tree oil on my face. But the gym was too crowded today because apparently if you check in at between 10 o'clock and 5 o'clock for until 9th of March, you get one membership day free. And I just figured it out, even though वो banners चिपके हुए हैं, I never read it. But yeah, apparently that is up, which is why बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ थी. But I'm proud of being back early. It's 6:30 right now. I'm going to make dinner, going to eat it, and then sit to study. and one of my new sneakers came in. I'm going to unbox them later when I receive both of them together, as in one is here, but I'm waiting for the other one to come. Another thing that couldn't happen is I could not go too hard. I was too tired today. I also just played football, so I'm like pretty sore. I had quads and calves, but हर चीज़ के दो set ही कर पाए. I mean, I did not have much to give. Like all my energy was gone. I don't know. I anyway dragged myself to the gym, to be honest. It was really sunny and I didn't want to go, but I made it a point. I have planned out my gym, food, like everything pretty long term. I have planned everything out and I really want to stick to my schedule, which is why I am being a little rigid with myself. Uh, my new collagen also came in. I am using a mixed fruit wala. I'm taking like this now. Every single time that I refill a collagen, I'm getting a bigger box than usual because this was my first one. This was some orange flavor. जिसके अंदर अभी rubber bands रख दिए. This is the one that I'm currently using. It's mixed fruit, but I got a 400 grams one. This is a bigger box. This is watermelon flavor. I was like, you cannot go wrong with watermelon, so it's this. We will try this in my next vlog. Yeah, let's sit and finish and submit all assignments right now. Submit all my assignments right now. After that, sorry, I'll eat first and then I'll submit the assignments, and then I'll fall right to sleep. I'm aiming at 8 to 8:15. I need to be asleep by then in order to wake up tomorrow morning at 4:30. I don't know, depending on how tired I am. I'm hoping to wake up by 4, but let's see. Let's go. Oh, I also got this free zipper by HK Vitals. I love zippers. Lost my other one at the gym. सागर के साथ बकचोदी करते हुए. I have beans and dal and roti, and I'm going to poach a couple of eggs for dinner. I'll also hopefully I'll also upload my vlog and sleep.
Salad, lost my filter.
You know what? We all make mistakes.
Which is a funny.
Stepdad only pays attention to our hot older sister.
I will.
No.
It is finally bedtime. Finally managed time to hit the bed by 8. That was today's goal, to just have an early bedtime, and yeah, that is done. I had a pretty lethargic day today, but this is all to put myself into a good cycle of waking up early. I feel like you need one of these reset days in order to really get back to your ideal sleep cycle. I do this once in a while whenever my sleep cycle goes haywire. So that was it for today's vlog. I hope you liked watching this video. If you like the content that I post, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.